Good morning, everybody. So, in our previous video, we solved the illustration 1 that is related to the intrastate sale. Now, in this video, we will solve the illustration 4th, and it is also related to the intrastate sale, right? So, illustration is journalize the following transaction in the books of Kaveri Traders, Bengaluru. The first transaction is purchase goods from Nagendra and Sons of the list price of 1,25,000 at 20% trade discount, 5% cash discount on purchase price of the goods, and paid CGST and SGST at 6% each. Payment was made immediately by check. Now in this question there is a trade discount and cash discount with the CGST and SGST, right? Then the rate of CGST SGST 6% each. So what will be the entry? The entry will be purchase account debit. We know in the case of purchase import CGST and import SGST will be debited to bank account to discount receipt, because we are purchasing the goods and we are receiving the cash discount. Now solve this as a working note. The list price of goods is 1,25,000, right? We know first of all we deduct trade discount from it at 20%. Trade discount is given. Apply 125 into 20%. The trade discount is 25%. Deduct from it, balance is 1 lakh. Now we consider the purchase is 1 lakh, right? Purchase 1 lakh. After that add CGST at 6% and add SGST at 6%. Okay, learn this procedure. First of all we have to deduct the trade discount from the list price, right? After that we have to add the tax, and after that we have to less the cash discount. So apply 1 lakh into 6%, 6,000, right? CGST 6,000, SGST amount is 112,000, right? Now we have to less the cash discount, that is 5%, but not in this amount. We have to deduct the cash discount from 1 lakh. Cash discount will be 5,000. 107,000 is our net amount, right? Fill this amount. CGST SGST is 6,000. Our discount received is 5,000 and our net amount is 107,000 will be shown on the bank account. Now next move to the next transaction is sold to Arvind Patil and company Hubli goods of the list price of 4 lakh at 25% trade discount, 3% cash discount on sale price, charge CGST SGST 6% each. Full payment received by check at the time of sale itself. This is the case of sale, right? Date is 20 May. Now we are selling and by check we are receiving the bank account debit. Discount in case discount allowed account debit, because we are selling. To sales account, to output, CGST account to output. In the case of sale, we know output term will be used and credited in the entry. Now the same procedure in second note, list price of the good is 4 lakh. First of all, we have to deduct trade discount, that is 25% on 4 lakh. Amount will be 1 lakh and 3000 will be treated as sale. In sale, we have to write 3 lakh. Now add CGST, SGST 6% on 3 lakh. The amount will be 18,000 and total amount is 3,36,000. Now deduct cash discount 3% on 3 lakh, not 3,36,000. The amount will be 9,000 and the net amount will be 3,27,000. This is net amount received. 3,27,000 will be shown on bank account. Discount allowed, we calculated 9,000 and 18,000. CGST calculated 18,000. SGST calculated. Next entry is sold to Bangarappa and Brothers of Mysore goods of the list price of 2,50,000 at 20% trade discount, 4% cash discount on sale price, and charged CGST, SGST 6% each and 80% of the amount received by check immediately. That means 20% on credit. Right? It's a sale case. Now what will be the entry? The date of entry is 22. Bank account, debit. In this entry, discount allowed account, debit because it's a sale case, and Bangarappa and Sons account, debit because 80% received cash and 20% on credit. On credit we use the party name, right? 2 sales and 2 output, CGST account and 2 output SGST account. Now third note is solve this same procedure. List price is 2,50,000 and first of all we have to deduct trade discount on it, that is 20% on 2,50,000. The trade discount will be 50,000. We will treat 2 lakh as a sale. Put the amount on sale 2 lakh, right? After that, same add CGST, SGST rate is 6% each on 2 lakh. Amount will be 12,000 and 12,000. This is 2,24,000. After that, we have to less the cash discount, but cash discount on 80%, right? The cash discount rate is 4% and we know that we deduct cash discount from this amount, not this amount, on 2 lakh and of 80% because 80% is receiving from 2 lakh, 80% is receiving and rest is on credit. Amount will be 6,400, but we have to calculate 80% of this amount. The amount will be 179,200, and now less 6,400 from this amount. 6,400, 172,800. Now calculate credit transaction. Credit transaction 20% of 224,000, right? 44800. Now put this amount on this entry. We calculate the net amount, that is this. Discount allowed 64, and credit amount is 44800. CGST 12,000, SGST 12,000. The last entry is payment made of balance amount of GST. That means this entry is related to the settlement, right? Date is 31. Settlement, we know that output will be debited, input will be credited in the balance amount paid to the government by bank. Output SGST account debit to input CGST to input SGST to bank account. Total all the output is here 18,000, 12,000. Total is 30, same amount na, 30,000, 30,000. Now calculate all the input. There is only one entry, 6,000. Input CGST, input SGST. Now how we calculate the amount of the bank? Total 60,000 output minus total input is 12,000. The balance amount is 48,000 paid to the government. Now total 7,32,000, 7,32,000 equal of debit side and credit side. Now you can solve the illustration, the practical question related to the intrastate.